Guys, hi, I'm back. I don't even know if my head's still in the picture properly. Hold on. I haven't done this for so long. This is my first YouTube video of 2019. Thank you to all of you that have said that you've missed me on YouTube. I've just been focusing on Instagram because it's a lot of work, guys, when you work as many hours as I do as well. But I thought I had to come back today because I've got something really exciting to share with you. As you've seen probably from the title of this video, we're talking straightening hairbrushes again. Right, okay, let's rewind to this. 2 years ago, I don't even know, I'll link it below, I did a video using the Daphne hair straightening brush, which was the first of its kind. I think those guys actually invented it. And obviously off the back of that, and it being such a genius product, other brands have got on board. And there's been some good ones, but I'm kind of like, you know, the Babyliss one is okay. But for me, it was always the Daphne one that was the best. But I have just been sent the new GHD Glide. Now, this is not an ad, this is not a partnership, it's not a nothing. I just like to show you things that I think and hope are going to be good. Is my head fully in? I mean, I feel like this is fine. I feel like it's fine. I'm still loving orange, by the way. If you don't know now, it's like my new obsession. So let's talk about GHD quickly. I mean, it's a really trustworthy company. I've used them forever. I mean, when you think hair straighteners, you think GHDs. I mean, I don't even say, oh, have you got any hair straighteners? Like, I got any GHDs to my mates, you know, I'm sure we all do that. If you have been following my Instagram, you know I'm obsessed with this. It's the GHD Curve. It's what I use every single day to get a wave in my hair. It's the only ones that I found that holds the wave, as well as giving me that beachy vibe, rather than that curled ringlet style that I'm not into. So this is launching today. I was like, oh my God, finally I can talk about it. I haven't even opened the box. I haven't looked at it. My hair is kind of like, should we say, what's just crunchy? I don't know. It's like wavy craziness right now. So hopefully this works better. I haven't even brushed it. Look, I haven't even brushed it. It needs brushing, but I thought it's a brush. Surely it'll brush it as well as straighten it. We'll see. Right, let's have a look. Ooh. So it comes in a box like this. Here it is. I think it's like 100 and... I'll find out the exact price and put an image here, but I think it's about 110, 120 quid. About the same price as straighteners. But I suppose the difference is that, well, the difference is here. Introducing GHD's first hot brush, which tames and smooths dry hair quickly and effortlessly. Your perfect partner for second day styling. I am so into second day styling. Third day, fourth day, fifth. I only wash my hair once a week on a Sunday. Literally, once a week. So this sounds like my perfect thing, because you know when you get to a second or third day in your hair, it's like this. This is actually day 5. Sometimes you just need something that is going to tame it. It also says roll out of bed and be ready to wow in no time. It's got ceramic technology and ionizer, and you can tame your hair easily, so you're back to perfectly styled look in seconds. It's healthier second day styling because the heated technology heats to the optimum 185 degrees. So that guarantees gorgeous, healthier looking locks. Right. Oh, and the ions eliminate frizz, so hair is transformed to perfectly smooth in just a few quick strokes. Let's see. I mean, if this could get my hair perfectly smooth in a few quick strokes, then it's worth the money, innit? Plug it in. Then, press the button. Okay, it's flashing. I'm assuming it's ready to go when it stops flashing. So the bristles on here, they're all different lengths, which is good. So you've got some longer ones, and you've got some shorter ones in the middle. Is that what a normal hairbrush is like? I suppose a normal hairbrush is kind of like all the same length, but yeah. I'm assuming so that means that it gets really to the root, so we'll see. Okay. Ooh, it's getting hot. So like it says, dry hair only. There's been times where I have once tried this, not this brush, but the Daphne. I tried it on wet hair thinking that that's what you did, and there was a lot of steam. Don't do that. Okay, so it stopped flashing, so I'm assuming that means it's ready. It didn't beep or anything, but that was about 45 seconds. So should we just give it a go? Here we go. Oh my God, guys. Guys. What the hell? What the hell? That's like 4 strokes. I'm not even doing it in layers. I'm just brushing it Guys, that is insane. That's the quickest thing ever, and my hair feels silky. What? I literally cannot get over this. God, this is the quickest thing ever. It's the quickest thing ever. Shit. I'm not gonna lie, I knew it was gonna be good because it's GHD, but I didn't expect it to do that to my hair in 4 strokes, you know? Like, that's poker straight. That is perfectly, that is like a hair straightener straight for me, for my hair. So with the Daphne brush, which I also love, for me it didn't give me like a poker straight, it was more like it straightens your hair, but it's not poker straight. But this, I mean, you can see, I don't need to tell you, you can see the difference. That is crazy. Okay, I better even it out because this side is looking, I mean, right, okay, let's try again. Oh, got a knot there, but that's all right, it's airbrush, isn't it? It's airbrush. I cannot get over this. Right, so you can see that I've got that bit of wave there still left in the hair. Gone. I'm blown away. I'm literally blown away. This is... I'm never... sorry, Chi-Chi, but now I feel like I'm never going to use your hair straighteners ever again. I'm just going to use this bloody brush. Because, you know, when you use hair straighteners, I love them, but I find that because you can't just do this, what I'm doing now, you can't just go, oh yeah, just brush through. You have to I have to find that I like, my hair's thick, so I have to separate my hair. So I do the bottom first and the top, and then I can't be bothered, so I try and just run it through like this, and it doesn't work. Whereas this is untangling my hair, brushing my hair, and straightening it, and it feels so soft. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Wow. Bloody hell, why haven't they done this sooner? Right, okay, so I think it's fair to say that I absolutely adore this brush. Look at that. Is that the quickest review ever? I feel like that's the quickest review ever. My life has changed. I feel like I'm going to be able to get ready in about 4 minutes now. This is mental. Okay, well done. So that's the I'm like, well done, brush. So that's the GHD Glide. Amazing. Professional hot brush that tames and smooths hair quickly and effortlessly. I couldn't have said it better, could they? Right, that's it. First video of 2019, about 6 minutes long, but look at that. Love it. I'm ready to go out now. Perfect. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be back very, very soon with loads more videos. But for now, I'm just going to go and sit and look at my new lovely straight hair. I can't. Anyway, love it. I'll put a link for this below. If you do get it and try it, send me a picture of like half your hair down and half your hair not done, because I really would love to see that. And let me know if you love it as much as I do. Mental. See you later.